Hello there. In this video we are going to create Domino's logo in GIMP. So let's start. First, initially I have this white image. Next I'm going to create a new layer which is transparent. Next, just for the sake of designing, I'm going to enable grids, and you can see these grids are quite big, so I need to customize it by going to image and then configure grid. You can change the height and width of the grid and change the color of the lines as per your wish, and then press OK. It will just help us in designing. Next, I'm going to select a rectangle select tool to create a rectangle. If you will double click on rectangle select tool, you will get all the properties, and I need to create rounded corners of the rectangle. So you can change the roundness by increasing the radius of the corners. Then it's of red and blue color, so let's fill it with the blue color first using bucket tool. Next, let's deselect it by going to the select and then none option. You can also use keyboard shortcuts if you know. Then I'm going to cut a small thin bar from the center so that it will be one single rectangle will be divided into two. Next, the right hand side is of red color, so fill it with red color using bucket tool. Very easy to follow. After this, we need to create circles of white color on both the dices. So select eclipse select tool, and by double clicking it, you can go to the settings, and under that you have this option of fixed, and then you can fix the size, aspect ratio, height, width, whatever. So choose the fixed size option. Let me choose 50 by 50, and I think I need to reduce the size a bit, so let me reduce it to 40 by 40, and okay. So after this, you need to fill it with the white color. You can simply choose the bucket tool and then fill it with the white color. Only the selected part will be filled with white color. Or you can have other alternatives, like you can use the round brush, or you can also use the eraser tool. There are multiple methods. In similar manner, we will create other two circles as well on the blue rectangle. So make the circles first and then fill it with the white color. Simple. Deselect the selection. Next, you can see this logo is bit rotated, so I'm going to choose rotate tool to rotate this, and let me choose that. So rotate tool, and then start rotating as per requirement. You can also see the same rotate tool can also be turned into move tool by going to the center circle, and you can change the placement, or you can change the rotation angle of selected layer or selected item. Once you are satisfied with it, you can click on the OK option. Okay, so half of our work is done. After this, we just need the text dominoes. So for that, you can use the font tool, and then you can start typing the keyword dominoes. Right now, while I'm typing, the white color is selected by default, so I need to change it. So I'm going to pick another color and let me choose blue. Change the size. Make sure whenever you're making any changes, the text that you have written, it is selected. Otherwise you're sometimes it doesn't apply the effects on the text. And then let's make it bold. Alright, you can change the placement or the position of the text. Let me choose some another font. I guess it's looking better. Now let's remove the grid. You can uncheck the show grid option under the image. So we got our image back, and I need to reduce the spacing between the characters. So I'm going back to the font tool and then reduce the spacing between the letters. You can do multiple settings by going to the properties of any tool. Alright, so it's done. So this is how you design logo of Domino's and GIMP. Very easy to follow. And then you can simply save it as per your wish. And I hope you have liked the video. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.